Let's start with the letter V. Letter V is very nice. V is for van, drive so fast. V is for vase with flowers that last. V is for violin playing a tune. V is for volcano erupting soon. V is for vegetables green and fresh. V is for valley so calm and serene. V is for wet so kind